In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place Google Analytics on a HubSpot website. Connecting Google Analytics to your HubSpot platform can provide valuable insights into your website's performance, customer behavior, and overall engagement. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate Google Analytics and unlock powerful data to refine your marketing strategies. To get started, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot website. Simply head over to your preferred web browser and enter HubSpot's URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by HubSpot's homepage, a central hub for all their software and tools designed to help your business thrive. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll find the Login button. Click on this button to access the login page where you can enter your credentials. It's important to ensure you have the necessary permissions within HubSpot to make any integration changes, so if you're not the account admin, you might want to verify this first. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot home interface. This serves as a comprehensive dashboard for managing all your HubSpot activities and tools. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as knowing where to find everything can really streamline your processes in the future. With your dashboard in view, locate the settings icon. It typically resembles a gear icon and can be found in the main navigation menu. Clicking on settings will take you to another page dedicated to various configurable aspects of your HubSpot account. Once on the settings page, you'll want to direct your attention to the left side menu where you'll find a category labeled content. Clicking this will expand a list of more specific options related to your content management. From this list, select Pages. This is where you manage all your web pages linked to HubSpot and is an integral part of bringing Google Analytics into the picture. The Pages section offers a deep dive into the online presence of your business through HubSpot. Continuing on, you'll see an option labeled Integrations. Go ahead and click on this to move to the integration settings. Integrations in HubSpot allow you to connect to external platforms and services, adding a new layer of functionality and insights. Finally, within the integration section, you'll find an option to integrate with Google Analytics 4. Selecting this option will initiate the integration process between Google Analytics and your HubSpot account. You'll need your Google Analytics tracking ID for a seamless setup. Be sure to have that handy before starting. And there you have it. By integrating Google Analytics into your HubSpot platform, you've taken a vital step towards enhanced data collection and analysis. With these insights at your fingertips, you're better positioned to improve your website strategy and ultimately drive more meaningful interactions with your audience. Happy analyzing.